Understanding data and variables in Python. In this tutorial, you'll embark on an exciting journey into the world of data types in Python and how to wield the power of variables to manipulate them in your programs. Different kinds of data. Get ready to discover the diverse range of data you can work with in Python. From numbers to strings to complex structures, Python has got you covered. Variables. Your data representations. Learn how to use variables to hold and manipulate your data within your programs. Variables act as placeholders for values, allowing you to easily reference and modify them as needed. Running your Python program. When you execute your Python program, the py extension signals to your editor that it's a Python script. Your editor then passes it through the Python interpreter, which carefully reads through your code and executes each instruction. Syntax highlighting. Bringing your code to life. Watch as your editor brings your code to life with syntax highlighting. Different parts of your program are highlighted in distinct colors, helping you identify functions, strings, and more. This handy feature, known as syntax highlighting, makes writing code a breeze. Understanding variables in Python. Variables are like containers that hold valuable data in your Python programs. And guess what? Unlike some other programming languages, Python lets you create variables on the fly without any explicit declaration. Just assign a value, and boom, you've got yourself a variable. But wait, there are some rules and guidelines you need to follow when it comes to naming and using variables. Naming and using variables rules. First, allowed characters. Variable names can only contain letters, numbers, and underscores. They can start with a letter or an underscore, but not with a number. Second, spaces and underscores. Spaces are a no-go in variable names, but you can use underscores to separate words. For example, greeting underscore message is A-OK, but greeting message will cause errors. Third, avoid reserved words. Stay away from Python keywords and function names as variable names. For instance, don't name your variable print, as Python's got plans for that one. Fourth, be descriptive. It's always a best practice to use meaningful variable name, so that anyone can easily understand the variable name. If you use any name for variable, then anyone can be surprised like, oh my god, what is it?